Everybody is worried that AI is going to take their jobs. I don't think that that is true. I think people using AI are going to take the jobs of people not using AI. I think AI is opening more opportunities than it's killing off. Side Hustle Slim Jim here today with the side hustle idea for you. This is not one I'm going to start because I've started too many things. But please, someone in the comments, start this business. I can't say I guarantee. YouTube doesn't like that, but I'm pretty sure this could be successful. And what I love about all these AI side hustles is there's basically no cost to get started, so you can try it out. But I've been a big fan recently of helping local businesses in your area. And one thing local businesses struggle with is marketing. They're always looking for ways to get more customers in. And up until now, ads, specifically digital ads, are completely dominated by the big players. And honestly, it's just a matter of budget. They just don't have the money or the time to put into something like this. But you could start a business helping local businesses with their ads. And again, the pitch is easy. We'll help bring in new customers. We'll use Google ads. We'll use Facebook ads the way the big people do. And you might think, well, I don't know anything about ads. I have no creative juices in me. That's how I am. I have no creativity. I'm very math-brained. And it's held me back in a lot of businesses in the past. But AI can help overcome some of those deficiencies that I have. So for this business, Quick Design is the tool, the AI tool, to help create AI ads, to look at ads, analyze ads, see what the big people are doing, and you can create your own. I mean, they look like they're from, big, huge companies when it's just you from your computer. So first off, when you log in, it asks for your brand kit. So you can set up brand kits for different companies. So this is actually, I have a web design business on the side for local companies just to help them, get a website that competes with the bigger players. And I do it for very cheap, $100 a month. Send me a text. You'll have a website the next day. That's basically what I offer. But I put this in here into the brand kit, and it goes and it analyzes the website. It gets all the colors for my brand, the typography. You can upload a logo. If I had one, I don't even have a logo. But this alone used to take a long, long time to put together a brand kit for a company. And now you can do it instantly. And that's a good foot in the door for these companies, these local companies that say, hey, here's a free brand kit that has, your colors and your logo and everything on it. Always start with some value that you're giving when you're doing cold outreach. And they have so many tools that you can use for ads. They, of course, have a video creator, AI video generator, smart ad creator. They have a lot of templates that you can use for different ads. But I think it's always good to start with some research. So going to the ad library, you can browse real Facebook ads. And they have a Chrome extension where you can actually just click on ads and save them. So we're going to go to the ad library. This takes you to the Facebook ad library. And then we're just going to do all ads. And let's just do yoga studio. Let's say I want to get some ads going for some yoga studios. So you get some of the ads that have been running. And again, you want to look for ones that have been running for a long time because that shows it's actually making money. I don't think anyone's been putting money, hopefully. iHeart Yoga has not been putting money into this ad since September 5th, 2019 and not seeing results from it. But this is the Chrome extension. This is just a Facebook ad. You can do this on any Facebook ad with their Chrome extension, but you can save the ad. We'll make a new collection called Yoga Studio. I don't do yoga, but I can also AI generate variations of this ad. Particularly, if it was a product, you can put your product. You can tell it to make some changes. You can do all this. This is on the Facebook website. So you can do this. This Chrome extension lets you do this anywhere that you see these ads. But that might be how I start is I send a yoga studio. I give them a brand kit. Maybe I even create a couple ads. Say, hey, here's what's working for other companies. Sending them that research. Maybe give them some predictions. You can use AI to help. Use Gemini or ChatGPT to help. Give them some predictions. Hey, if you ran this ad, it probably cost you about this much. And it'd probably bring in this much more. Then you kind of have your pitch put together there. So then you can go to Smart Ad Creator. You can do a physical product, so if you're doing e-commerce or something like that. Or you can do a digital service. So let's actually see what it comes up with we'll use my web design business, because that is a digital business. So the service name is your website done for you. I don't know. I don't really have a name. We'll say Lincoln Local Web. Ideal customer, local businesses in the Lincoln, Nebraska area who need a new website. I don't have a logo. Probably should. Should probably just use AI to generate a logo. So then you can say what kind of ad you want to create, or you can just use AI basically that combines all of these into what it thinks are the best ad. I'm going to do that. Call to action. I'm going to do get a free website. What I do is I give them a website for free, and then I charge if they want me to host it and buy the domain name, get it set up. I'll leave out reference image, additional instructions. We'll just see what it comes up with. So we'll make it just a square 1x1. We'll do 2 HD quality, 192 credits. So that's pretty cheap. Okay, you could do quite a bit of these on even their lower plans. So the Advantage Plus is actually generating 16 ads, and then I can kind of take my pick for what I like. Okay, so here's kind of what it came up with. Custom high-performing website, attract more local customers, zero cost setup today. I mean, these are pretty good. Have one with a testimonial in it, get a free website, limited time offer, dominate your local market. This is good stuff. I mean, I'm learning on how maybe I should be advertising. But it was that easy for me to put together some ads. Again, this is something you could send over to, your yoga studio. I don't know why I thought of that as an example. Honestly, it's because Gemini said, use yoga studio as an example. Should have thought of one better. But you could send them over. Here's a brand kit. Here's some ads that I think I would run. Here's some projected numbers, perhaps. You want me to be your ad person for, $100 a month or whatever. So, but then let's take one of these ads. Let's say there's something on it I don't like. I want to go to edit with prompt, and let's do change it from a man to a woman. Not sexist or anything. I just want to see how the editor works. So, and I love this. While you're waiting, this is the advantage of AI, is it will work on this. I can close and continue in background. A lot of AI tools make you sit there and wait. I'm going to close. So let's see what it looks like to make a video for a yoga studio. We'll just do a talking UGC. We'll use this actress. I mean, she looks like she's do yoga. Hey, Lincoln, come try our yoga class this Saturday. She looks like she could be a Natalie.
Quick Design unlocks creativity for everyone. Quick Design helps you test ad. Quick Design creates captivating UGC videos.
She sounds like a Stella. Generate the audio. That's only 1 credit. You could do that an infinite amount of times. Okay, let's see.
Hey, Lincoln, come try our yoga class this.
Okay, so between the video and the audio, this is 40 credits. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, and it says it'll take 2 to 5 minutes. So again, I can close this. Okay, and let's see how it did with the editing here. Okay, again, this was the original. It was a man, and then all I did was prompted, hey, change this to a woman, and it did it. That looks great. That's amazing. That's another side hustle idea. Another side hustle for another day. But become a editor. Okay, and then here's the video I made
this Saturday. Hey, Lincoln, come try our yoga.
It's really good lip syncing. It's crazy. AI is getting better and better. I might want to use a less annoying voice if I was going to actually run that. But then you can actually deploy this straight to Facebook. You can connect to your Facebook ads account, deploy this ad straight to Facebook right from the platform. So again, I don't have time to go through all the different tools. What I want to do is just get your brain going. Do you see how this could be a business? And you might think, well, hey, anybody could come in here and generate ads. But the thing is, not everyone is going to. In fact, most people are not. Anybody, again, I'm doing this local web design business. Anybody can make a website pretty easily now with AI. I'll be totally honest, this website took me like 20 minutes to make. But the thing is, most people are busy. They're doing their business, right? Plumbers are out plumbing. Electricians are out electricitying. So if you can come in and say, hey, I'll make you some ads, I'll get you more clients for $100 a month. That's really appealing to a lot of these local businesses. And it's a win-win situation. They pay you, you use your expertise that you're learning here on YouTube, use tools like Quick Design. They get more customers. And you charge $100 a month, you get 10, that's $1,000 a month. So I'm going to be totally honest with you. The tech is very easy. AI is making the tech part of things very easy. The business model seems like it would be successful, seems like it would work. But the success only comes if somebody goes in and does it. Again, Proverbs 14:23, hard work brings profit, mere talk leads only to poverty. I have a new side hustle almost every single day. Please grab one of them. If you're looking for extra money on the side, grab one of these side hustle ideas, whichever one seems the most interesting to you. Try it. Put together a demo. Text some companies. Go into some businesses. Call them. And my favorite part is that there's not an investment up front. A lot of businesses, you have to go all in. I had to remortgage my home to start that business. That's not true with these. Just start reaching out to some companies and see where it goes. So as always, if you want some support along the way, hop into the AI Income Builders Club. We're trying to help people start AI side hustles, basically. We're giving blueprints. We do live calls, do some coaching. Got myself, and I also have some marketers who come in and help. And shout out to Quick Design AI, the tool for today, especially the Chrome extension. I think that's a huge, I haven't seen that with other AI tools like this. So appreciate you guys. God bless you all. Let me know if there's anything I can do. Let me know in the comments who's going to start this, who's going to give it a shot. Let me know your results. The community would love to see your results. If you start this, I'll bring you on the YouTube channel to talk about it and just your experience with it. I think that'd be amazing. I would love that. But appreciate you guys very much. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.